the lighting, all that good stuff. And nobody watches it. Here I go ahead and go live with no sound, and everybody's watching it. Those minutes add up. And it's like, what? How did that happen? Believe me, it happens. So the bottom line is, if you want to rack up the minutes, the hours, the views, and some subscribers, go live. Put it all up there. Put yourself all out there. I mean, nobody's perfect. You'll get better in time. And the bottom line is, it takes years to perfect this content creation thing. There's guys that's been doing it for 5 years and haven't made $1. 7 years haven't made $1. So don't beat yourself up. You gotta realize when you go live, you get a lot of attention. And even though nobody's watching your content, guess what? Yep. You get those minutes regardless. I mean, nobody's watching. That's okay. Because I've been on for 5 minutes now. Well, that's 5 minutes of watch time, view time that YouTube counts towards your monetization. Go figure. But hey, I'm not one to complain, because I could throw up a video, nobody watches it, and it takes me hours to create it, and I don't even get the hours that I put into it with views and watch time. So going live is the way to go, because some days you'll get like no viewers at all. Other days you'll get thousands of viewers. I mean, in 20 minutes I got 3,300 viewers in just 20 minutes. And it added up to 21 hours of watch time. That was the most that I ever got going on YouTube for any of my content. So there's been times, like right now, I'm 6 minutes into it, and got one viewer, one like. But that's okay, because that's 6 minutes that goes towards my monetization. I'm just saying. So if you have any questions, please ask. If you have any pointers, please tell. Because I'm still learning. I need help. I need a lot of help. So I thank you for taking the time and listening to what I got to say. And give it a try. You won't regret it. I'm Mario, the speaker here at the Speakers Creator Hub. Thank you. Love and respect.